Hey there, welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of IPTV. Are you tired of paying hefty cable bills? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we will guide you through creating your own IPTV service step by step. First off, let's discuss what IPTV actually is and how it works. IPTV stands for Internet Protocol Television, offering television content over the internet. Next, let's go through the hardware you'll need to set up your IPTV service. You'll need a reliable internet connection, preferably a fiber connection for optimal speed. We recommend using a dedicated server or a Raspberry Pi to manage your IPTV streams. Now let's talk software. There are several options available for IPTV management. Popular choices include Extreme UI and IPTV Smarters, both user-friendly for beginners. Next, you'll need to set up your server using the software you chose earlier. Creating playlists for your favorite channels is a fun and straightforward process. Don't forget to connect an electronic program guide, or EPG, for user-friendly navigation. Once everything is set up, it's time to connect and test your IPTV service. Troubleshooting is essential, so check connectivity and stream quality if issues arise. And remember, creating your own IPTV service can drastically reduce your viewing costs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. Bye for now.